Example problem 18 asks us to solve for the molecular weight of water. So the atoms in water are H and O. The atomic weight of hydrogen on the periodic table of elements is 1.008 grams, and oxygen is 16 grams. There are 2 hydrogen atoms present, and since there's nothing behind oxygen, it's assumed to be 1 for oxygen. And so in your calculator, 1.008 times 2 is 2.016 grams. 1 times 16 is 16 grams. And so now we add up everything in row 4. So in your calculator, 16 plus 2.016 is 18.016 grams. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 18.